Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my hair is wrapped up and my makeup is done. That means hair tutorial. So I'm coming with another headband wig from Vivi Babi hair, and this wig is a kinky curly wig, 18 inches. And let me just say, I'm here for all the headband wigs. Like, send them all my way. I haven't worn a lace frontal in so long and I'm here for it. So getting into this wig, let's throw the box out. So I'm taking the wig right out the package. I haven't touched it or anything yet, so I'm showing you guys exactly what it looks like right out of the box. And it looks really cute. The curls look really nice and like really coily, so I feel like it's gonna give me like that natural hair type look. And the inside of the wig, it just has two combs on the side, basic wig construction, and then you have your Velcro headband. So before the video, I gelled my edges already and I had my hair just slicked down. So I'm popping on the wig cap and then I'm gonna get the wig on. So all I do is I just throw it on like a hat and then I connect the Velcro strap in the back, and then I just stuck those two combs right on either side of my wig cap. And also there's a comb in the back that I stuck right underneath my wig cap. And I'm showing you guys this in real time so you guys can see how easy it is to put this wig on. Like, if you don't have time in the morning to put a whole lace front on, you have time for this headband wig because it takes like 5-10 minutes tops and you're done. So my edges were slipping a little bit, so I'm just taking my edge booster and I'm just going over my edges a little bit. And again guys, you don't even have to do your edges with this wig because the headband can protect your edges. You can pull it over your edges, but I like to have my edges out a little bit for a little bit of more of a natural look. So the first style I'm going to show you guys is really just me using my fingers to separate all these curls. And when I tell you my fingers were gliding through this hair, like this hair is so soft, like I could not stop touching it. So all I'm doing, I'm just using my fingers to just detangle and give it more volume. And I haven't used any water yet, so this is just the hair dry. Basically, the more you fluff the hair out, the bigger it's gonna get, and that's what I was going for. So I just kept on fluffing out my hair and like shaping it and just giving it more like, you know, more oomph. So right here, I'm just showing you can part the hair on either side. Like there's no defined parting, so you can really just do any side that you want. And I was just feeling like I needed some accessories, so I just threw in some earrings. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of the different headbands that came in the wig, and I'm just trying on a couple of my favorites. So now for the first style, you have a half up, half down. This is one of my favorite styles. That's why I did it first. Like I really love my hair half up, half down. And this kinky curly wig is just giving everything it needs to give. I don't think y'all understand. Like I was living for this half up, half down. I was like, period, period, period. Like I was really living in it. And then I just converted that ponytail into a top knot, and this is so easy and so simple to do. And as I show you guys a couple other styles, I just want to talk a little bit about this wig. This headband wig is amazing. The hair is so soft. You know, with kinky curly hair, sometimes it's just really hard to get your fingers through and you just can't work with it. But this hair is bomb, y'all. And I'm gonna link everything in my description box for you guys to purchase this exact wig, and a little coupon code for you guys to save some coin because you know I love y'all. So the high puff is definitely one of the easiest styles out of all the styles that I've done. So literally just throw your hair up with a scrunchie, and I like to pull out a couple hairs in the back, you know, to kind of make it look like we got some baby hairs, you feel me? So I wanted to see what the hair was going to give when I defined the curls. So I'm just using some water, and I was using a detangler brush at first, but then I decided to use a weave brush because that is 10 times easier, y'all. And these curls were amazing. Like, they look so good. Like, I just love curly hair. It has to be my favorite texture. And I'm just showing you guys that you can do the same styles that you did when your hair was nice and like blown out when it's defined too. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking with me through this video. Comment down below what you guys think. Tell me what you guys would want to see. Anything you guys think. I love reading your comments. And you guys already know the drill. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe already. Join the fam. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.